everyone, welcome to Destin Creativity. I hope you're really doing fine. Today's DIY is another wall decor that I made out of trays. It's very simple to make. All the material will be in the description box below if you're interested. Just keep watching, and if you're new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos that I'll be uploading. Thank you. Let's begin. So I was going through the 99-cent store and I found these really nice party trays that I'm going to use to make the wall decor. All you need are 4 trays, and then I'm going to use decorative filler and Podge to make a design onto the plates. I then left it to dry for almost 30 minutes before I could add the second layer because I wanted a little bit more full. So I had to remove the excess glass, then put Mod Podge, and then put the second layer of the mirror. This next step is totally optional. If you don't have diamond dust, you could just seal the whole glass with Mod Podge, but I decided to add an extra layer of the diamond dust so that it's more shiny, and then just let it dry for a little while. After this, I applied a diamond wrap onto the tray using a hot glue gun. For the base of this tray, I cut out a box. The measurements are 18.5, that's for the width, then the length is 28.5 centimeters. And then I wrapped it with tape on the edges. Use the hot glue gun to attach it to the tray for a stronger support. After this, I left all the 4 trays to dry overnight. The glue really took long to dry because even the next morning some parts were not dry, but I just decided to go with the last bit, that's to add the mirror in the middle. These mirrors are self-adhesive. They have glue on them, but if you want a stronger bond, you can use E6000, but they didn't fall off, so I guess it was okay. So I used 2-sided tape to mount these trays on the wall in this arrangement, and yeah, it was that easy to make, but it really looked so good. From the same store, I picked out these trays as well. And basically, it's the same procedure. I used glue to attach the decorative filler and just went through the whole process again. For the base, I also cut out boxes for this. The length would be 30 centimeters and the width is 10 centimeters. Wrapped it around with white tape and then glued it onto the plate. And this is how it turned out. I used the two-sided tape to mount the trays on the wall. And yeah, was that easy and simple yet beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I have other videos. Please check them out in my description box. And please keep safe. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.